check that out.
Bluetti just sent me a 200-watt solar panel.
Just looking at the technical specs, this is the model PV200 monocrystalline. It's up to 23.4% cell efficiency. Voltage at max power is 20.5 volts. Current at max power, 9.7 amps. Open circuit voltage is 26.1 volts. Short circuit current, 10.3 amps. And operating temperature, anywhere between -10 and 65 degrees Celsius. And it is made in China. Anyways, package is a little damaged, but nevertheless, time to unbox. Oh goodness. This is the biggest panel I've ever had. I think the highest wattage solar panels I've ever had is 100 watts and actually 120 watts. Slice. Oh wow. You know, ever since I've seen Bluetti's and EcoFlow's version of their solar panels, I've always wanted a set of folding solar panels. They're just nice. You just when you touch them, feel them, the material is it's nice. Got some instructions. If we unfold them, just undo that clip and that clip. And it unfolds. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4 panels. So probably about 50 watts per section of panel. Pretty cool. So it's all held in by these 2 clips. That's nice. So if we look here, here's an example of the folding stand. So when you have the panel unfolded, there's a couple of these stands that can be adjusted to whatever angle you want. So if you want a 45-degree angle, you take this with the button, snap it on in the middle here, and then when you set it down, this creates a 45-degree angle. Likewise, if you want more of an angle, you go to the very top one. If you want a less of an angle, you can go to the next one down, or even further to the lowest setting there, which is right there. That's cool. They've got a built-in bag right onto it. And that's it right there. These are thick cables. These are the red and black MC4 connectors with another adapter you can plug right into your power station. That generally they come included with the power station to be able to connect with the MC4 connectors. Sometimes they don't. Now if I undo this cord, let's just see how long it is. Okay, wow. So, wow, that's actually really long. So that's about 6. So if I were to guess, it's probably close to 10 feet long of cord. Which is a substantial amount. I like that it's got a cover to go right around it. And a nice carry handle, blue for Bluetti. Yeah, I'm stoked. Can't wait to go outside and try it in the sun. A 200-watt folding solar panel. I just grab this and my power station, throw it in the truck and go. And I'll be self-sustaining throughout the whole trip. This is a great application for camping. And for emergencies, yeah, being able to generate electricity. This is a solar generator that can produce up to 200 watts of solar per hour. But anyways, enough of that for now. Let's go outside and test this. All right,
200 watts solar. This is freaking awesome. This is really cool. It appears to be about 8 feet long and about 1.5 to 2 feet wide when it's all unfolded. So it's a huge array. Probably closer to 7 feet long. I've got it directed at the sun at a pretty good angle. And if I plug it right into my power station here, this is the Bluetti EV3A power station, and it's November tomorrow, so it's actually Halloween today, so happy Halloween. It's generating about 100 watts. It's sitting at 99 right now. So 100 watts, that's half of the 200 that is available, but given the fact that we are heading into winter now, the sun is further away, the sun is at a bad angle. Even though the panels are directly facing the sun, we're still producing just about 100 watts, which is still great. I mean, if I had a 100-watt panel right now, I'd only be getting 50 watts. Really cool to be able to have a panel this size in your arsenal. Those darn sirens. I'll give you a closer look here. And it's cool because with this stand, you can undo these buttons and choose a different slot, which then releases the stand out more, which then helps you to adjust which angle you want the panel to be at. And of course up here is where the business end of things are. You've got the thick wire coming out, pretty long too, and can plug that right into the unit. And obviously a huge bonus with this setup is how portable they are. I've got the 200 watt folding solar panel in one hand and my power station in the other. We can just go wherever the sun is in a good spot and generate some good electricity. That's the Bluetti 200 watt folding solar panel. I'm really excited to use this. I'd say Bluetti is probably my favorite power station brand. It's pretty neck and neck with EcoFlow. I really like Bluetti and EcoFlow together. They both offer some great products at reasonable prices too. Thank you, Bluetti, for sending this product out to me. I just want to say a big thanks to you.
Thanks for checking out this video. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.